In this video, we're going to go over how to add decimals. So say I were to give you the question 5.78 plus 2.46. How would you find the answer? Well, first what we're going to do is we're going to add the 100th place decimals, and that's going to be 8 plus 6. Now 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, and so we're going to write the 4 underneath, and then we're going to carry the 1 to the next column, which is the 10th place. And then now we're going to add the 10th place decimals, which is going to be 7 plus 4 plus 1. Now 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12. And so we're going to write the 2 here, and then we're going to carry the 1 over. And then now we're going to add the whole number. Now the whole number is going to be 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7, plus the 1 that we carried over, which is equal to 8. And so we're going to write an 8 underneath. And then we're going to carry our decimal underneath. And so our final answer here is going to be 8.24. Now let's try one more question, but this time pause the video and try it on your own. But now let's say I were to give you 4.60 plus 3.27. So here, what we're going to start by doing is we're going to add the 100th place decimals again. And so that's going to be 0 plus 7, which is going to be equal to 7. And then we're going to add the 10th place decimals. So that's going to be 6 plus 2, which is going to be equal to 8. And then now we're going to carry the decimal down just to keep it simple. And then we're going to add the whole numbers, which is going to be 4 plus 3, which is going to be 7. And so our final answer here is going to be equal to 7.87. So a key tip when doing this is to make sure that your decimals are lined up. So you keep your decimals lined up, and then you keep your 100th place digits lined up, and you keep your 10th place digits lined up, and you keep your whole number lined up. That way, all you have to simply do is add in the column, and you don't have to worry about them being misaligned. I hope this video helped. Thank you.